Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Julep's Garden. My name is Mel, and this summer has been so hot and intense. I've been trying to take advantage of any little moments where the weather is not too hot, specifically in the mornings or the evenings, and trying to get as much done as we can. So let's go see what we can do. So first thing we're gonna do is I have my little clippers in my bucket, and I bought all these hydrangeas today from Home Depot for $8 each. So they are normally, close to $30. They're the Bloomstruck Endless Summer. And I'm going to replace these that you see here with those this fall. There were some that were Easter hydrangeas, and I tried to pop them in and see if they worked, but they did not really bloom. They've grown and grown. I might still give them to my mom and see if she wants to give them a try, but these were only $8, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to trim off the foliage that's already passed. The wonderful thing with these endless summer ones is that they bud up. They continually are budding up. Look, these are still beautiful blooms. So I think if I give them a nice little trim, anything I see that's dead, it'll help them keep blooming. She's sunbathing. It's so hot out here too. She chooses to be in the sun. What are you doing? Come on. Let's go. So I have my plant zone. We're gonna work on some supertunias. Going to grab my gloves. Let's go. So this year I have not been great about fertilizing my petunias, but I want to get another really nice flush for the fall, so we're gonna do it now. So here you can see they're kind of getting very leggy. They're not blooming as much as they could be. I also want to give my mint a little trim back. We have another set there. I'm gonna go empty this out and then we'll come back and do these supertunias here. They're finally getting some shade, so we won't be in the sun. So I'm right here by my garden beds. Yesterday I transplanted 3 cucumbers and let me show you what they're doing already. So they're looking a little sad because, you know, I uprooted them yesterday, but look how he's already grabbed onto the trellis. I thought that was so cool how it did that so fast. And here's another one. Here's another one. I'm gonna water them right now. Hello, it's the next day. We're back out in the garden. We're gonna be trying to save our veggie garden beds from some type of worm that's eating everything. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I picked this up at the Ace Hardware store. So this is BT. It's supposed to still be natural organic gardening. I have my little sprayer here. This does not have bleach, nor do we use it with bleach. The only thing I've really ever used this with was with like a vinegar spray I did, and I thoroughly washed that out. So I have a gallon of water in here, and we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of this. So here are my garden beds, and I wasn't sure what was affecting them, but this morning I was out here early and I caught them red-handed on the basil. Let's see if we can see any. Oh, here's one. Let me know if you guys know what this is called, but this is what's eating all my things. So we're gonna spray everything down because everything has signs that it's being attacked. Okay, so we got all the beds sprayed. Hopefully it does its job. It usually says to come back in another week and reevaluate and can spray again, so we'll be doing that. Next, I'm going to be watering some things in and making sure everything is being kept nice and hydrated because it is hot. This is just a few weeks later. So these were the honey drift supertunias. They did not perform nearly as well as the snowdrift, and I gave them the same fertilizer, the same water. You can see how much more the snowdrift has been blooming. There was a honey petunia. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and like always, if you enjoy my content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.